Hey friends, today we're going to draw another present.
Yeah, except this time when we draw our present, we're going to draw a snowman inside. It's going to be a lot of fun. We hope you're going to follow along. You need your drawing supplies. We're going to use a marker.
Thank you.
And you also need some?
Paper and something to color with.
All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first fold our paper. We're going to take the top edge and line it up with the bottom edge and then crease it down. And we always do the same steps for our folding surprise. So if you've already done one of these, you could just skip ahead and do this part on your own. Next, let's take the top flap and fold that back up to the top edge. Line it up and crease it down. Next, let's flip over our paper and repeat that same step. We'll take the top flap and fold it up to the top edge. This is just a guide fold, so let's unfold and flatten it out, and then flip it back over. When we're all done, it should open up like this. We also have some scratch paper we're going to put underneath our drawing paper just to protect our table since we're using markers to draw with. Let's draw our present shape first. We're going to draw a big square, and half of the square will be above the fold and half below the fold. We can start over here in the top left corner and draw a line straight down over the fold. And we can kind of come close to the bottom of our paper down here. Then we can draw the bottom of the present. We'll draw a horizontal line coming across. And then let's draw the right side. I'm going to come back up here to draw a straight line down since it's easier to draw over the fold going down than it is to go back up. Yeah, because it might catch on the fold. Now let's draw the top of our present. We can draw a line that connects the two sides together. Now we're ready to draw the ribbon, and let's draw two lines straight down. These are the same steps that we did for the Santa in a present and also our puppy in a present.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Let's also draw an upside down U for the knot on our bow. I think that's what's fun about this lesson is you can really draw anything inside of the present. We'll draw a diagonal line on the left and also on the right. And then we can draw the side of the bow coming down on both sides. Let's also add two wrinkle lines inside of the bow. And you could decorate your present differently too. You could add spots or stripes, but let's leave it just like this. Now we're ready to open up our paper and flatten it out so it's easier to draw on. Up at the top, let's draw a line to connect the bottom of the lid of our present. Next, we can extend the bottom of our present up a little higher. So I'm going to go past this bottom fold down here. Now let's draw the top of our present, except we're just draw a short line coming in on both sides, the same distance. This is going to be fun. We're going to add snow kind of coming over the edge. So let's draw a bumpy line that comes down like this. Oh, we can draw some little bumps and big bumps and connect over to the other side. So this is the snow from our snowman.
That's some droopy snow.
So, yeah, I like it. Now let's draw the top of the droopy snow. We're gonna draw a curve like this coming over, or bumpy lines coming over to the other side. Looks like a cloud.
Yes.
Let's extend the ribbon up and connect it to the snow coming over the edge. Now, also, we extended the present up so that when we draw the snow, it's above the fold. Because when you fold the whole thing back up, you want it covered up so that you don't see the snow coming out of the lid.
Yeah.
Now we're ready to draw our snowman. Let's start by drawing a circle up here for the head on our snowman. I'm going to draw a pretty big circle, about this big, all the way around and connect back at the top. And we can leave some space up here so we can add a hat. Perfect. Good job. Now let's add our snowman's face. We can draw a carrot for the nose first. We're going to draw a sideways V. We'll come out to the side and then back in. Well, it's a small, skinny carrot. I like it. And then let's draw the letter C or sideways U to connect or finish the end of our carrot. And we can also add little texture lines inside to make it even more like a carrot. Now let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw a circle for the left eye and also for the right eye. Oh, and we can also draw highlights, a smaller circle inside. And then let's color in the big circle, but leave that little circle, the highlight, white. This makes the eyes look shiny and more friendly.
That's so cute.
And remember, anytime that we fast forward the video, or if we go too fast, you guys can pause the video and take extra time. You could also pause the video to add extra details or extra things to your drawing. Now let's draw the smile, and we're going to draw circles for the smile, right? Because it's made out of coal.
Yes.
And then let's color in those little circles. Oh, I like the eyelashes too.
Thank you.
Okay, now let's add a scarf. I'm going to draw 2 short lines coming down from the head. And then let's connect those 2 short lines with a curve that matches the bottom of our snowman's head. And then we can also draw the body for our snowman. I'm going to draw a curve that comes down from the scarf and connect to the snow or also to the present. And we can do the same thing on the right side. Let's also add the end of the scarf. I'm going to draw a line that comes down, over, and then back up. And we could draw the little end of the scarf. Oh, let's add one more end. We're going to draw a backwards letter L. And we can add those little strings coming off too. What should we add next?
The buttons.
Oh yeah, let's draw a circle here, right below the scarf. And we could draw maybe just part of the other button, an upside down U. And let's color in those shapes too. Now let's draw the hat. We can draw 2 short lines coming up from the head, kind of like we did for the scarf. And then let's draw a curve that matches the top of our snowman's head to connect those 2 lines. And then we can draw a line coming up and connecting to the top of the present on each side. What's the last thing our snowman needs?
Arms.
Or snow woman.
Oh, yes.
Arms, yeah,
Arms.
definitely. Let's draw a wiggly or kind of jagged zigzag line coming up on the right side and also over here on the left side. Ah, I like that.
Sticks are not...
Yeah, they're not perfect.
Yes.
Yeah, they can be jagged like that. I like it. And I love that they're different too. Let's also add a little finger coming out to the side on the left and also on the right. And we can do it on this arm over here too. I really like your arms.
She's dancing.
Yeah, she looks super happy.
Yes.
We did it, Hadley. We finished drawing our snowman and woman, except we're not completely done.
We still need a color.
Yeah, my favorite part. We are going to fast forward, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your snowman too. You ready to fast forward?
Yes.
We did it! We finished coloring our drawings and they turned out awesome. Especially love your present.
Yeah.
Should we show our friends the inside?
Yeah.
Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
3.
Merry Christmas!
Christmas!
Happy winter!
Yes.
I love your snowmans or snow woman so much. I especially love the snowflakes.
And the icicles.
Yeah, the icicles turned out really cool. You can add even more things to your drawing, but you want to make sure that you add it below the top fold and above the bottom fold so that when it's closed, you can't see any of the folding surprise.
Yes. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your snowman.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we hope you take time to color and add extra things to your drawing. And we'll see you later, art friends.
Goodbye.